Here's a Toyota Yaris Cross in for the county immobiliser. Comes with a free Bluetooth tag, free leather case, free bag, our contact details, spare battery for the tag as well. Lasts about a year, but you'll get 10 flashes of your indication light when it goes flat, so it won't just let you down, it'll tell you your battery's getting low. So let's show you how it works. If we try and start this vehicle, will not go to ready. Completely immobilised. So switch it off, reset it. Ignition on. If I just zoom in a little bit, if I enter the customer's demo codes, flash there of the main beam and the fog lights, foot on the brake, hit the start button, it now goes to ready and we're ready to drive. This one automatically rearms when you turn the ignition off, so if I turn the ignition off, give it a couple of seconds, you'll see a double flash. That's it, main beam and fog lights. We try and start it, completely immobilised, as easy as that. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.